Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to run ads on Google but don't know where to start? In this video, I will show you through the basics of Google Ads in 2025, including setting up your first campaign, choosing keywords and tracking performance. First of all, go to ads.google.com and sign into with your Google account. Now enter your business information if you are new and set your billing country and time zone. That's it. Once inside, click the plus icon from the left side bar, then click campaign. Google will ask what's your goal. You can choose website traffic. Now select account. Go to admin, then manage account settings, then click name, email address, and country. Save. Now again click campaign, select an account from here, or create without a goals audience for full control. For this tutorial, let's choose website traffic. Then follow the process. Next, pick your campaign type. The most common are search text ads on Google search, display image ads on websites, video ads on YouTube, shopping for e-commerce. Let's go with search ad since they are perfect for beginners. From campaign time script screen, choosing search continue, then continue, or like that Google Ads campaign. Search display shopping video universal, then search. Now set your target locations like countries, cities, or areas around your business. Choose language as English or your audience language. Then set your daily budget. Start small, like $5 to $10 per day. This step is key. Choose keywords that people search for when looking for your product or service. Now use Google's keyword planner to find search volume and cost per click. Search for Google keyword panel planners. Now sign into your Google Planner dashboard. Type in keywords, then keyword planner demo, selecting relevant keyword from here. Add 10 to 15 keywords, focus on buying intent keywords like buy, order, or near me. Now write your ads. Each ad includes headline 1 to 3, description 1 and 2, final URL, your landing page. Example headline affordable web design, description get a custom site starting at $99 pre-consultation. Before you publish, Google will show a summary. Check your targeting, ad preview, and budget. Then click publish when you are ready. Your ad will go through a short review process and then go live. After launch, go to your dashboard, track impressions. Go to your dashboard and track impressions. Clicks and conversions. Turn off underperforming keywords and increase budget on winning ones. And that's your beginner's guide to Google Ads in 2025. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe, and check out my next video on retargeting ads and conversion trackings. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.